Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AVCO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Very nice movement today, not necessarily just today, but over the past couple of days. And then when you factor in the volume over the past couple of days, you can see well above average. So a lot of eyeballs on this one going forward into Friday. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. When we say, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up there above $2.20. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $2.20, then that does not mean the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay above $2.20, that would definitely be a nice sign of power going forward. Next level of support after that would be down here at this previous breakout point, and that sits right there at the round number of 2. So 220 and then 2 of, no pun intended, the near-term levels of support. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes on, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward way to gauge the health of the move. That right there I'm defining as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you must visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 220 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about areas of resistance going forward? Nothing fancy or complicated here. The party finally stopped today right up there at $2.50. So $2.50 will be public enemy number one, but resistance levels don't matter. What do I mean by that? Well, what matters the most is what the price has already been doing, and that is this right here. Just build on those higher bases, or if you want to picture those as stair steps. So as long as the stair steps continue to be constructed in the upwards direction, then give it enough time, everything else will eventually take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on those healthy consolidations and just sit back and let the trend do its thing. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.